Today we have come to the village of Hathrai, Abdul Ghani Rahim mein jo paro Abdul Ghani, and it is donated by Nazar Fatima Memorial Foundation Water Project 2022 Thar Desert Sindh. It is donated by Sadaqe Jariya of Muhammad Riaz and UK charity number 1195538 and NFMF number 003. And today we are inaugurating hand pump. We have installed in front of all these houses. The drinking water was only available here. ये नज़र फातिमा मेमोरियल फाउंडेशन ने दिया है और मोहम्मद रियाज ने सदके जारिया के तौर पे दिया है। ये इनका नंबर है 003। पुटी घड़न फुटन ते आयो है। ये कहते हैं कि ये 65 फीट पे है ऐं ते घणा घर आहिनि। 4 houses are here to get benefits from here. अम्मा पानी मिठो है खारो है बाबा? मिठो है। Muneer Welfare Trust has been working to provide sweet drinking water to water-starved people of Thar Desert since 2014, and our Thar support mission is still continue. All are requested to come forward to help these water-starved people of Thar Desert.